Chapter 12. Taking charge of waste. What is waste? Waste is anything we no longer need or want. It can be old clothes, food scraps, broken toys, empty bottles, and much more. When we throw things away, they become waste. Waste can be as tiny as a pin or as big as a school bus. Also, waste can be solid, liquid or gas. Sources of waste. Waste is generated every day in many ways and from different activities. It comes from our homes, schools, offices, restaurants, hospitals, and other places. Let us study how waste is generated. Kitchen waste, vegetable and fruit peels, tea leaves, egg shells, etc. are the main wastes generated in the kitchen. Packaging. Packaging is another major source of waste. Many products come in boxes, bags, or wrappers. Before using these items, we remove the packaging and throw it away. This can create a lot of waste. Broken items. Some items, like toys or glass objects, can break. When something is broken, it can no longer be used. We throw these items away, which creates waste. Old things. Over time, many items become unusable. For example, when we move to a new class, our old textbooks may no longer be useful. Similarly, as we grow, our clothes may no longer fit. We often throw these old items, generating waste. Hospital waste. In hospitals, used syringes, bandages, bottles, gloves, and other items create waste. Even when we try to dispose of waste properly, it can still pile up around our homes, schools, or neighborhoods. Seeing these piles can be uneasy and reminds us of how our actions affect the environment. So, can we do something to keep our areas clean? Yes. By managing the waste we create, we can help make our earth cleaner and healthier for everyone. Let's learn how to manage waste effectively. Importance of waste management. Managing waste means collecting, treating, and disposing of waste materials responsibly. We can learn this from people and places that handle their waste well. But why it is important to learn about waste management? To understand this, we need to understand the problems that arise from poor waste collection and disposal. People often throw garbage on the ground, near roads, houses, or in yards. Animals, like cows, dogs, and cats, search for food in the trash. They can get hurt or even die if they eat plastic, metal, or glass mixed with food. Some people burn plastic waste, which releases harmful gases. This pollutes the air we breathe, which can make us sick and harm the environment. Garbage can also become a home for germs and diseases. Wastewater that collects on roads and around homes attracts mosquitoes, which spread diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Effective waste management is important to keep us healthy and protect the environment. Ways to manage waste. Waste can be managed by following the concept of 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. Reducing waste means creating less waste in our daily lives. This can be done by only buying what you need, choosing products with less packaging, carrying cloth bags for grocery shopping. Reuse. Reusing means using things again instead of throwing them away. This can be done by reusing glass jars from coffee and jams to store snacks or other items, donating old clothes, reusing newspapers for gift wrapping. Recycle. Recycling means making new things from old items instead of throwing them away. Recycling helps reduce the amount of waste we produce. Materials that can be recycled include glass, paper, cardboard, aluminum cans, plastic. Fun fact: you may have noticed a symbol with 3 arrows arranged in a triangular shape on some items. This symbol, known as recycling symbol, indicates that the item is meant to be recycled rather than thrown away. More to know. Some animals help recycle too. For example, earthworms are nature's recyclers. They eat dead leaves and plants, breaking them down into rich soil. This soil helps plants grow better. Just like we recycle plastic and paper, earthworms recycle organic materials to keep the environment healthy. Waste management success. Many villages and cities in India used to have garbage all around. But now, some of them are among the cleanest places in the country. How did the people in these areas change their surroundings? Let us talk about one of the cleanest villages, Silluk, located in Arunachal Pradesh. It is also called the Zero Waste Village because there is no trash on the roadsides or in open spaces. This village has been awarded for managing its waste in the best way possible. Similar to Silluk, Chota Narena is also a waste-free village located in Ajmer, Rajasthan. Cities like Indore, Surat, and Mysuru are also known for their cleanliness. These cities have effective waste management systems that help people dispose of their garbage in the correct way. We can all help keep our cities and villages clean by throwing garbage in the dustbin, following principles of reducing, reusing, and recycling, participating in cleanup events, planting more trees. More to know. Swachh Bharat Mission was started on 2nd October 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The main goal of this mission was to make India clean and healthy. This mission remembers Mahatma Gandhi, who advocated for cleanliness. It encourages everyone to keep their homes, schools, and streets clean by using dustbins and avoiding littering. The mission also focuses on building toilets in villages so that everyone has access to clean facilities. We can all contribute to this mission by participating in cleanup days, planting trees, and encouraging friends and family to stay clean. Different waste, different bins. There are 2 different colors of dustbins. You can find them at school, in parks, at markets, or even at bus stations. Have you ever wondered why we have these 2 types of dustbins? Let us explore what goes into each one. In the green dustbin, we throw away items like fruit and vegetable peels, eggshells, dried leaves, and small branches. This kind of waste breaks down naturally over time and turns into compost. The compost provides important nutrients that support plant growth. It is also beneficial for the small creatures living in the soil. We throw recyclable items into the blue dustbin. These items include objects made from materials like plastic, glass, metal, and paper. The waste disposed of in the blue dustbin is sorted and then sent for recycling. More to know. The waste is divided into 2 main types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste is made up of things that can break down naturally and mix into the soil. Examples of this type of waste are fruit peels, vegetable scraps, leaves, grass, and small branches. On the other hand, non-biodegradable waste consists of items that do not break down easily. These things can stay in the environment for a very long time and can cause pollution. Examples of non-biodegradable waste are plastic bags, glass jars, metal cans, etc. Keeping our surroundings clean. Keeping our surroundings clean is very important. Here are some easy ways to help us keep our homes, schools, and parks tidy. Always use a dustbin to throw away your garbage. If you see trash on the ground, pick it up and throw it away. After you eat or play, clean up your area. This makes the space nice for everyone. When you go for shopping, use a reusable bag instead of plastic ones. This helps reduce waste. Grow plants in your surroundings as they make it beautiful and help clean the air. Remind your friends and family to keep things clean, too. We can all work together to make our surroundings better. On National Cleanliness Day, celebrated on January 30, make a promise to always keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Try not to create too much waste, and make sure to manage and dispose of your waste properly. Together, we can build a cleaner and greener world. Keep it clean, keep it green. Let's make our world a beautiful scene. Key terms. A waste. Anything we no longer need or want. Reduce. Making less trash in our daily lives. Reuse. Using something again instead of throwing it away. Recycle. Making new things from old items.